Welcome back to Chinese Car Guy. This is the Li Auto L6 and one of the smartest mid-size SUVs in the world, and it only costs $35,000. It is able to completely operate by itself. As you can see currently, that is driverless, and this is one of the latest cars in the L series. It is not as long as the other models in the L lineup. It is just close to 5 meters in length, but this is one of the most sought after models. At the front, you have this signature L series look, and to be honest, it's really hard to tell which is L6, L7, L8, or L9. They all look really nice. This is the Li Auto's logo, accompanied with a beautiful panel of LED lights. This is a really futuristic look, and this light is also bulging out, so it's quite an interesting concept. And then you have an LED light here that is very well sheltered behind this glass. And most importantly, you can't miss out the most beautiful CarPlay Chinese Car Guy. So if you have not, make sure you smash that like button right now and subscribe. It is completely free and it really helps the channel tremendously. So make sure you do it now. Thank you very much. There's a flat bumper here that makes it a little more sporty, and I think it looks quite nice too. You have these panels here that will open so that it can help to cool the engine, because this car is not fully electric. It is a hybrid model. In fact, Li Auto started with hybrid models, and my first car review was Li Auto L9. That was 1.5 years ago. So if you have not, make sure you click the pop-up banner right there. The tires are 20-inch that can be upgraded to 21, and it fits the car's overall aesthetics really well. This car has pop-up door handles and no soft closing, but the way that it closes is actually very satisfying. Check this out. Now the side view again is almost identical to the other cars in the lineup, but the only difference is that when it goes to L9, you have 3 rows of seats under the bonnet. This car does not have a frunk because this is where the engine sits. For the electric equivalent of this car, which is the Li Auto i6, which I've just reviewed it has a huge front that you can store a cabin-sized suitcase. So if you have not, make sure you click the pop-up banner right there to check it out. Although the top part of the rear slopes down slightly, it is still quite a boxy car, and that means that the headroom at the passenger seats at the second row is going to be very, very large. This is a Chinese brand name called Li Xiang, which actually means ambitions. Pretty cool, isn't it? You have the model here called L6, and let's check out the trunk. Now the trunk is enormous. One cool thing is that you can actually put the seats back down for the second row without manually adjusting it. So check it out. Wow, look at this. With a press of the button, it lies flat, and you can put a bed here, or you can sleep. There's not gonna be a problem. I'm gonna lie down here. Wow, it's quite comfortable. Look, so this whole area is quite long. If you would like to have a quick nap at the office, this will be a perfect place to go. There are no additional space at the bottom, but I really like this. You can actually put this cover here to store it. Here it is slightly sunken, so you can put your stuff here. And also here with a small net. There's also a hook here and electricity output. Now let's talk about the interior of the car. The interior is pretty similar to all the other Li Autos car. Currently, I am charging with the Li Auto's fast charging, and let me show you how it looks like. So this is how a typical charging station run by Li Auto looks like. The current one that I'm using is 4C, and you do have 5C fast charging, which works even faster. And one cool thing is that the cable is really, really thin. I mean, look at this. Usually fast charging, the cables are extremely thick and heavy. This car is able to come with English, and that's pretty cool for foreigners who want to buy this car off the rack. The steering wheel for this is pretty much very similar to all the other Li Auto cars, with the gear shift here and the signaling light stock here. They also have this signature orange color, which looks really nice, and I personally think that it looks a little bit like Hermes. The heads-up display is really good, and it's pretty much the same across all the Li Auto cars. So if I were to put it on drive, and you see it is really detailed in terms of the navigation and the map. If I turn on the turn signal, it will actually show the blind spot camera on the heads-up display. This is pretty cool. The screens here are really responsive, and an additional screen here that facilitates entertainment for the passenger seats. This is something that I feel Li Auto is doing really well. Li Auto's cars are pretty much like a house in a car, so you can really spend time to relax in the car. Comparing this car to the car that you currently drive, would you rather laze around here or not? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. There are 2 wireless charging here and a small dent for your sunglasses. 2 cup holders, quite a deep storage. There's also quite a bit of storage here that I found out that a lot of ladies can use it for their high heels. There is a glove box which is quite big. The seat comes with seat heating and cooling for both front and rear passenger. 李想同学打开第一排的座椅按摩. Nice. Now I'm getting a massage. Do you speak English?
Of course. I can chat with you in English. How's your morning going in Shanghai?
Wow, so he speaks English now. And that's really helpful for a lot of foreigners. You have a rear mirror and also a camera for selfies and spying. You have a very comfy pillow here that is Maybach style. I love this in a lot of Li Auto cars. Now let's check out the back seats. The comfort for the back seats are crazy. Let me show you. The legroom and kneeroom is enormous. You can put your feet below, and that makes it really comfortable. You can also recline your seats back, and it's like, wow. You have seat controls here that you can adjust your seats. There are also these pillows at the back, and very comfortable, but you do have to make sure that you wash them regularly. The armrests do have the cup holders here, and it can get in the way sometimes. The console here is really neat. You have your screen to control your air condition, and that's pretty straightforward. And you can upgrade this section to have a refrigerator. This car also comes with an enormous sunroof glass panel, which looks spectacular. And the best thing is you can actually close it with the blinds. So this makes the car really comfortable to be in. I also love door handles like this because these are the traditional door handles that allows you to open, and is way better than those that are like the electronic buttons that can be a safety hazard in times of emergencies. Now let's go for a drive. The driving experience for Li Auto cars has always been very consistent. It is really comfortable and focuses highly on the experience that the people have in the car. With that, it actually earned the name of being one of the most boring cars to drive. You can alternate between using electric only or gas, or even both. When you are traveling far, then it makes more sense to use both options to maximize the range. The control is really comfortable as well. The sitting position is also quite elevated. The acceleration, the brakes are really gradual too. It is so silky and is actually one of the best chauffeur cars. The air suspension is also very soft, so it's really built for comfort for the passengers and the drivers in the car. The noise insulation is slightly thinner than I expected, so there will be a little bit of road noise as you drive, especially on high speeds. The steering wheel's control of the car is also really good. You know, turning through the curves, and it's just wow. This is an SUV and a really comfortable car to drive. So what do you think? Will you buy this car? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Most importantly, please don't forget to smash that like button right now and subscribe. It is completely free and it really helps the channel tremendously. So make sure you smash it right now. Thank you very much and I will see you in the next video.